to episode 4 of DIY Viral Eats. Today we're doing fried Japanese sandos. These are thick slices of shokupan, which is Japanese milk bread, fried, split open, and stuffed with sweet and savory fillings. I'm doing 2 types, an egg salad and a strawberry cream. The egg salad is pretty straightforward. I like to do mine with mayo, Dijon mustard, paprika, salt, and pepper. The cream is even easier, just whipping cream with some sugar and whipped until stiff peaks. Then I had some oil heating, ready to fry the bread. Once it's golden brown, remove it from the oil onto some paper towel to soak up the excess oil. And once it's cooled, it's ready to cut. The key here is to make sure you have thick slices of bread because as you can see, we're creating a pocket and stuffing it with as much filling as possible. I also made soft-boiled eggs to make it a little more fancy with that ooey gooiness, but also because I love soft-boiled eggs. However, this is totally optional. And same thing with the whipped cream. Fill it as much as you can, then smooth out the surface. So I'm doing strawberry, but you can get creative with other pairings and fillings. So I don't know about you, but I think these look absolutely amazing. Honestly, going into this, I knew this would be good, but I didn't expect it to be this good. The rich creaminess of the buttery, crispy fried bread is a heavenly, mind-blowing combination. I was absolutely having a foodgasm. The cream and strawberries brought such a light, sweet freshness. It was the perfect dessert pairing. This is such an easy to make, diverse treat. You gotta try it.